In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Bezier curve pen paths in GIMP 2. And hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to create Bezier curve pen paths in GIMP 2.10. If you're new to paths, think of them as flexible, editable outlines you can use to make smooth shapes, precise selections, or clean strokes without committing to pixels right away. They're non-destructive, which means you can adjust them as much as you want until they look just right. Start by selecting the Paths tool in the toolbox. It looks like a pen icon, and you can quickly activate it by pressing B on your keyboard. This tool lets you place anchor points and shape curves with control handles. Click once on your canvas to place your first anchor point. This is your starting position. Nothing will curve yet, because a single point doesn't define a direction. The magic happens when you add the next point. Now click to place your second point, but don't release the mouse just yet. While holding the mouse button, drag your cursor. You'll see handles extend from the point you're placing. Those are your Bezier handles, and they determine the direction and strength of the curve. The direction you drag sets the path's direction, and the length of the handle controls how tight or gentle the curve becomes. Drag a short distance for subtle bends, and drag farther for smoother, sweeping arcs. If the curve looks too sharp or too loose, simply adjust how far you pull those handles. Continue by adding more points along your path. Each time, click and drag to shape the next curve segment. Visualize the flow of your curve before you place the point, and let the handle direction follow the path you want the curve to take. For smoother results, keep your handle movements gradual and consistent from point to point. If you make a point and realize the curve isn't matching your vision, don't worry. You can refine it afterward. You can edit the path at any time. Hold Control and click any existing point to move it into a better position. Then adjust the handles by clicking and dragging them to fine-tune the curve's direction and strength. Small adjustments go a long way. Zooming in can help with precision when you need perfect edges or clean corners. And that's how you create Bezier curve pen paths in GIMP 2.10. Practice the handles to get smoother shapes.